Upgrade your kitchen with a smart, space-saving appliance that handles everything from crispy fries to golden toast with ease. Best Toaster Air Fryer delivers fast heating, even cooking, and healthier meals with less oil. Enjoy versatile cooking, energy efficiency, and delicious results every single day. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Emeril Lagasse Toaster Air Fryer. The Emeril Lagasse Toaster Air Fryer is a powerful and stylish multi-cooker designed to elevate everyday cooking. Combining the functionality of an air fryer and a countertop oven, it handles everything from quick snacks to full family dinners with impressive efficiency. Its 26-quart capacity makes it ideal for households of 4 to 6 people, offering generous interior space that can easily accommodate a 12-inch pizza or even a 6-pound rotisserie chicken. This makes it a practical choice for busy families or anyone who enjoys hosting gatherings at home. The dual-speed fan and 360-degree superheated air circulation ensure evenly cooked, golden, and crispy results without the need for excessive oil. One of its standout features is the perfectly timed toast function. The built-in countdown timer automatically shuts off the oven once the toasting cycle is complete, eliminating the frustration of burnt toast. The indicator light system is simple yet effective, glowing red during toasting and turning blue when the timer ends. The stainless steel exterior gives it a premium, modern look that complements any kitchen decor, while the elegant French doors open smoothly with a single pull. The interior light allows you to monitor food without opening the doors and losing heat. Overall, the Emeril Lagasse Toaster Air Fryer offers versatility, generous capacity, and user-friendly controls, making it a dependable and attractive addition to any kitchen. Number 2. Gourmia Toaster Air Fryer, 25-quart. The Gourmia Toaster Air Fryer with its 25-quart capacity is designed to deliver family-sized performance with modern convenience. Its spacious French door design allows both doors to open easily with one hand, making loading and unloading meals simple and safe. With enough room to fit a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or even a whole chicken, this appliance is built for households that need flexibility in meal preparation. Whether you're cooking weeknight dinners or preparing snacks for guests, this air fryer toaster oven offers ample space and functionality. Equipped with 17 preset cooking functions, it covers everything from air frying and baking to broiling, roasting, dehydrating, and toasting. Its digital display provides precise control over temperature settings ranging from 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and cooking times between 1 and 99 minutes. Its 1700-watt fry force convection technology ensures powerful airflow circulation, creating crispy, golden textures with little to no oil. This makes it a healthier alternative to traditional deep frying while maintaining flavor and crunch. The included accessories such as the stainless steel fry basket, baking pan, oven rack, and crumb tray make extra value and make cleanup more convenient. Designed for efficiency and versatility, the Gourmia Toaster Air Fryer is a strong choice for anyone looking to simplify cooking while enjoying a wide range of meal options in one compact countertop appliance. Number 3. Cuisinart Toaster Air Fryer. The Cuisinart Toaster Air Fryer is a premium 1800-watt countertop appliance built for performance and versatility. Designed to replace multiple kitchen devices, it offers a wide range of cooking functions, including air fry, toast, convection bake, convection broil, grill, and warming. This flexibility makes it suitable for everything from preparing crispy chicken wings to baking homemade pizzas. With enough space to toast 6 slices of bread, air fry 3 pounds of wings, bake a 12-inch pizza, or roast a 4-pound chicken, it easily handles everyday meals and small gatherings. What sets this model apart is its superior operation and thoughtful controls. The adjustable temperature dial and 60-minute timer with automatic shutoff provide consistent and reliable results. A toast shade selector allows you to customize browning levels to your preference, ensuring perfectly toasted bread every time. The wide temperature range, from warm to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, supports a variety of cooking techniques. The Air Advantage technology, featuring a top fan and heater assembly, optimizes hot airflow for faster and crispier results while locking in flavor. The stainless steel interior is easy to clean and durable for long-term use. Included accessories such as the air fry basket, baking pan, oven rack, and reversible griddle expand its capabilities even further. Overall, the Cuisinart toaster air fryer combines power, capacity, and dependable performance, making it an excellent investment for home cooks seeking convenience and quality in one appliance. Number 4. Ninja Toaster Air Fryer. The Ninja Toaster Air Fryer stands out for its innovative space-saving design and powerful cooking performance. Unlike traditional countertop ovens, this model can be flipped up and stored vertically against your backsplash, freeing up to 50% more counter space when not in use. This makes it especially appealing for kitchens with limited space. Despite its compact footprint, it offers large capacity cooking, capable of air frying or roasting up to 4 pounds of ingredients, baking a 12-inch pizza, or toasting up to 6 slices of bread at once. Its oven crisp technology combines infrared heating with rapid air circulation to deliver even edge-to-edge cooking. This ensures food comes out crispy on the outside while remaining tender inside. The 8-in-1 functionality includes air fry, roast, broil, bake, pizza, toast, bagel, and dehydrate, making it a highly versatile appliance. It is also energy efficient, using significantly less energy compared to a full-size oven, which can help reduce electricity costs over time. For health-conscious users, the air fry feature reduces fat content by up to 75% compared to traditional frying methods, providing a guilt-free way to enjoy favorite foods. Designed for quick family meals, it can prepare servings for up to 4 people in as little as 20 minutes. The Ninja Toaster Air Fryer blends smart storage, speed, and performance into one efficient kitchen solution. Number 5. Gourmia 10-quart Toaster Air Fryer. The Gourmia 10-quart Toaster Air Fryer is a compact yet capable appliance designed for smaller households or limited kitchen spaces. With 12 preset functions including air fry, bake, roast, toast, bagel, fries, wings, snacks, broil, dehydrate, popcorn, and keep warm, it provides impressive versatility in a manageable size. This model is ideal for preparing quick meals or snacks without heating up a full-size oven. Featuring Fry-Force 360-degree technology, it circulates rapid hot air around food to achieve crispy, golden results with minimal oil. This promotes healthier cooking while maintaining flavor and texture. The convection mode further enhances heat distribution, ensuring even cooking and consistent results. Despite its smaller 10-quart capacity, it can still fit a 9-inch pizza, 4 slices of bread, or multiple smaller portions using its 3 adjustable rack positions. The included accessories, air fry basket, oven rack, baking pan, and crumb tray make it suitable for a variety of cooking tasks while keeping cleanup simple. Its user-friendly preset controls allow beginners to cook confidently with just a single tap. Overall, the Gourmia 10-quart toaster air fryer delivers efficiency, convenience, and versatility in a compact design, making it a practical option for everyday cooking needs without sacrificing performance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.